Try answering the MCQ display now. The answer for this question is option D, bromhexin. Bromhexin is a mucolytic which we use when there is sputum inside the lungs. So it is a mucolytic drugs. What are the other mucolytic drugs? Ambroxol, bromhexin, acetylcysteine, carbamazepine are the mucolytic drugs used in productive cough. Now, what are the drugs used in dry cough? The other options are codeine. Codeine is used in dry cough, codeine, and then levopropoxyphene. So all these are opioids. What is the problem with opioid? Opioid problem is they can cause respiratory depression in children's, constipation, and they can get the person can have abusive problem with that. Dextromethorphan is an NMD antagonist and it doesn't have the abuse potential, less chance of constipation, less chance of respiratory depression in children. So never combine codeine and dextromethorphan because the combination is irrational. So these are the questions that have been asked about drugs for cough. Thank you all.